Good morning. Welcome to sound sharing today. I just came back from Sedona, and then I have a wonderful experience there. I was guided to do a vision quest there to bring the Mount Shasta water, head water, to Sedona, and then pour into the well, the huge well there, Montezuma well, and also did a little bit ceremony that I posted a few days ago on this channel. So if you like to watch it or listen to it, you're welcome to do so. But anyway, I'm back here again in Taku Ironware in Cupertino. We'll continue this sound sharing with all of you, and then wherever you are, and thank you for joining us today. So last week we did a guided meditation about the root chakra, and this week we are going to continue to go up one chakra. That will be our sacral chakra, the second chakra. So this is the color of this sacral chakra is orange, like a rainbow color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and then violet. Okay, so second chakra is orange. It's right below your belly button, so like 3 fingers here. So today we are going to work on it to help you to resonate with your sacral chakra, as well as guiding you to activate your sacral chakra. So it might be a little bit different format from last week, but it's all good. We go with the flow, and just follow it. So the sacral chakra is where our inner child is, and then that's where your inner child is, right there. And then throughout our entire life experience, from the first moment that we were born, all the way up until your current age, current situation, that we experience so many different people, things, and in our life. Some of them may not be so positive. I believe most of the experience will consider it's good for us, because these are the life lessons or life experience that we sign up to do it, to go through it, to experience, so that way we can grow from there. So when your inner child wounded, I believe probably every one of us does have a little bit somewhere that your inner child was wounded. So they will go back to this sacral chakra area. So today we're going to use our crystal ball as well as American Indian flute to help you to connect with your inner child, and then start the communication with your inner child, and then communicate with your inner child, and then kind of bring your inner child out of it. So that way you will be more happier in your life, And also the sacral chakra is also related with the sexuality, but not just that. The most important part will be the creativity, fertility, because going through the sex, men and women having sex, they're going to make the baby. So there's a fertility, and also it's a form of a creativity, creation, that we, as a human being, we are able to do it. So if it also will help you on your daily daily life, that if you're an artist or you're really into this good things, beautiful things, and then you always have a creative idea, open up your sacral chakra. It will also help you to be more tuned into this creativity that you have. And then, in our world, everything is creative, from our idea and then execute it, and then perform it, and then, manifest it. So sacral chakra is also very important as well. So that would be the simple information about this chakra. If you want to find out more, I believe on YouTube, a lot of other YouTuber content creators, they talk about this as well. I just follow my guidance, and then follow the form that I have. Everybody is different, but if you're watching this, we are grateful for you joining us. But hopefully you get something out of this video. I believe you will. But anyway, so let's take a few deep breaths to begin with, so that way we can relax our body, our spirit, and our mind. And slowly close your eyes. We are asking all the ascended masters, Mount Shasta, Talos, Lemurian family, and archangel, angels, Melchizedek, ascended master, came through me today. So I would like to ask him his support and then his assistance in this section that with us. And then Metatron Cube, the flower of life, all those energy grid that helping us to elevate our vibration and frequencies. And all our indigenous shamanic families and friends. So take another deep breath and then focus on your second chakra, which is below the belly button. If you want, you can put your palm on top, of your sacral chakra. So at the meantime, using your hand to connect with your inner child there. So visualize there's a orange light energy ball where your sacral chakra is. And then feel the warmth of the orange energy ball, and then seeing this energy ball become a little bit bigger and bigger every second. So feel the warmth, feel the color of the orange wrap you around right now, because the orange energy ball is already bigger than yourself, your body. So it is able to cover your whole body. So you're sitting inside of this orange energy ball. you visualize, we ask the white light from the source of the universe coming down through your crown chakra and going through your 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and then second chakra. So it landed on the landed on your sacral chakra. And you can feel from bottom of your feet, there's an energy coming up from the Mother Earth, and then going through your legs, and then your root chakra, and merge with this light energy, the white light energy from the source of the universe in your sacral chakra area. So you can feel that the Mother Earth is helping you to slowly, gently, very softly to infuse the energy to your sacral chakra, and as well as the source of the universe, the white color energy coming down, also helping you to clear up your 7 chakras, the channel, the path. So you can be like totally open up your entire body with all the energy center that we have in the body. Soak yourself into this orange energy ball with a white light coming down from the source of the universe, and then another energy coming up from the Mother Earth. Merge into your sacral chakra and feel your inner child. Now you can see with your inner vision, or you can feel with your body, your heart, that what does your inner child look like right now? Is your inner child happy, sad, crying, mourning, or any other emotions that your inner child has? Fear, doubtful, open your arms, open your hands, look at your inner child, and then start at this moment starting to greet your inner child, communicate with your inner child. Your inner child maybe want to say something, or just maybe look at you. This is the opportunity for you to reconnect with your inner child, because we have been neglect communicate or care for your inner child feeling, which is also your feeling of your own, but in a deep state, deep state of your own feeling may not be expressed properly through yourself. That's why it could be suppressed down there. And so this is the time for us to have you approach or wait for your inner child to talk to you or communicate with you. So you will know what your true feelings deep down there that you kind of avoided or don't want to face it, don't want to take care of it, and this is a time for you to see all those conditions or situations that you have been putting yourself, into. And your inner child will be the one right now that can show you all of this that you didn't want to face it, or you didn't want to take care of it, you didn't want to see it. And then this is a good opportunity for us to really work within ourselves. You may feel the energy coming down from your crown chakra, so remember to continue to take deep breaths so you can channel the energy evenly, evenly spread it out, distribute it to your body, your whole body, not just around your head, your crown chakra area. And you may feel the energy coming up from the Mother Earth, and we're grateful for Mother Earth, taking care of us all those years, And then you feel the energy infused up to from your bottom of your feet and all the way to your sacral chakra. And all three energy connect together in your sacral chakra area. So just soak yourself in this white light energy, yellow light energy, and the orange light energy. The energy coming out from the Mother Earth could be light, could be green, could be yellow, could be other colors. Everyone will be different, experience different, depends your vibration and what you need at the moment. So just allow yourself to accept and receive whatever vibration, whatever frequency, whatever color of energy coming to you. invite your inner child to come out and play. And then make sure spend time, meditate, and communicate with your inner child whenever possible. So you can bring out your inner child. You can be playful, joyful, to feel like the innocent stage of when we were a child, you know. So that's the purpose of the, you know, communicate, reconnect with your inner child. Okay, now you visualize the orange energy ball is getting smaller and smaller, going back to your sacral chakra area, and then continue to activate and then work on it to help you to consistently open up your sacral chakra on a daily basis. And then the white energy light coming down from the source of the universe. Now you can feel that it's going back to where it came from, as well as the Mother Earth energy coming out from the bottom of your feet is going back. But remember, whenever you want or you like to do the meditation, you can ask for the energy from the Mother Earth, from the source of the universe, to assist you activate your body, your light body, your chakras. You can just do so by asking. Take a deep breath. Slowly bring yourself back to your body. And we thank for all the spirits, invisibles, archangels, angels, ascended masters, indigenous families and friends, your spirit animal guide, your higher self, your spirit guides, unicorn, dragon, Mother Earth, Melchizedek, Metatron Cube, the flower of life. Take another deep breath. just remember you can do so by listening to this video over and over. It will help you to get familiar with the meditation, and then or you can do it on your own. Once you're used to it, just ask for it. And it's very good to do a meditation on a daily basis. It will actually help us to focus more when we are living our daily life, and also doing our daily activities that we have to do, or work, because it will help you to calm your mind very quickly and very clear and then focus. So I think it's very good, because that way your energy will be calmer, and then very easy to very easy to be with, to be together, to be around. So I recommend, suggest that try to do a daily meditation, and that way, will help you, and as well as helping the Mother Earth. So that would be a very good thing to do. So when you're ready, you can open your eyes, and then we are grateful for you joining us today. And that will be our second chakra guided meditation today. And hope you get something out of it, and then enjoy our content here. Continue to support us. Okay, so then we know next time will be the third chakra, solar plexus, and then so that will be it today. And next Wednesday in Taku Ainwell, Cupertino, I'm going to have a first sound sharing section here. So if you want to participate, you want to be here, you're welcome to join us. And the entry fee is $22 cash. So starting from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. So looking forward to seeing you here if you are able to make it, if you're local. But if not, maybe we'll do a recording and then we'll post it on this channel. So that will be it today, and then you have a wonderful holiday season coming ahead. So be safe, be healthy, and then be happy. Okay? So that's it. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.